In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Blair, and today we're just doing a Sunday vlog. I just spent most of my morning getting as much done as I could. This week's been really chaotic. And today I'm probably going to spend a lot more time doing as much as I can around the house. I'm having some serious contact issues this morning. I'm like, I'm not supposed to change them for another week, but dang. I might have to put a fresh pair in after I mow the front yard. So I'm just going to take you along with my day. I do need to mow the front yard. I want to clean the house. I normally don't do this stuff on Sundays, but I have pest control coming tomorrow, so I need to make sure my home's nice and clean so they can spray, and that the yard's taken care of for when they put down their stuff, so I don't have to mow right after they did it. So that is the plan today, and then hopefully some relaxing, but we'll see what we get into. For right now, I'm just going to relax for another hour, because I don't like to try to mow until after 9 a.m., just to be courteous to my neighbors. And then I'll probably watch church after I've showered, and potentially put in fresh contacts. But yeah, so I'll check in with you when we get moving on some other stuff.
Back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby.
Other thing I want to do while I'm outside, all of these flowers are actually from last year. They're like coming up again. I thought I threw them all out, but I do want to try to rearrange them in the pot so it looks a little nicer. So I want to do that while I'm out here in dirty.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to.
So it's a little bit better. I got the creeping stuff at the front, the flowering one in the middle, and then I know these are those Johnny Rockets, so that'll get pretty tall. But this kind of works if they all start blooming, because then I don't need to buy flowers again this year.
So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until.
Okay, I'm showered. I got some liquid IV and a snack. Riley's got his busy bone, which he's very happy about. We're gonna watch church, and then I'll make some lunch and probably rest for a little while before I do anything else.
Figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen, and when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we.
So I chilled for a while, watched a movie, League of Their Own. But I'm going to go ahead and clean the house. I'm going to spare you most of it because I know I just cleaned not that long ago in another vlog. So I'm going to get going on that. I may show you a little bit, but not all of it. And then I don't know what else we're going to do today. It's Sunday, you know, it's usually chill. But I am going to actually go to YouTube. I have a playlist of like Christian songs that my mom and I tend to share, and I'm just gonna jam out and clean the house because I need some soul building today. So we're gonna do this so that way I can get moving and have some energy. But let's find a good jamming song. Actually, let's do this one.
Figure out a topic. Been so long without it. Caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops.
Everything's pretty much done. I just need to take the trash out. But before I do that, One of my cleaning tasks this month was to get this light down and clean the thing on it. And honestly, I figure this month was my deep cleaning month for my bedroom and bathroom hallway area. I did a little bit in the bathroom. I thought maybe I'd do the light and then we'll do the deep clean of the bedroom next weekend.
Step dancing on the roof, it's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside, or make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside, or take today, go dancing in the...
Sorry, there's sound coming from every angle. The laundry's probably almost ready to be transferred. So I'm going to transfer that. I need to take the trash out and then finish that, and we'll be done with all the cleaning I plan to do today.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof, it's like...
This might be a shorter vlog. I'm just gonna wrap it up here. My emotions are just not where they need to be today. And there's just a lot going on. So, and I'm not gonna do much else tonight, just make dinner and talk to my mom. But maybe you got something out of this, and I think it's okay to be in your emotions. I want to retreat to myself and I don't really want to be sharing that. So yeah, I do hope everybody has a blessed day though.